Hello, I'm Chef Coco Cruz, your fusion exotic chef, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, hello everyone. Yes, it's me, Chef Coco Cruz, and today, guess what? I am gonna go shop at one of my favorite market to shop all my wonderful produce, and I am at Pasadena Marketplace, and I can't wait to show you guys all this awesome produce. Woo, and let's go inside. And I just got back home from Pasadena Marketplace, and look what I got. Raw hazelnuts is gonna be fantastic, and fresh, huge, humongous bread. You are going to love that place, so please go shop there because that's where I shop also. So I can't wait, and let's start preparing our dishes because I can't wait to share it to you guys. Yeah, I'll be back. Look at this. I put my hair up, my apron, because today we are going to make Jingalov Hats. So we're going to need 2 cups of drinking water and 1 teaspoon of Himalayan salt over here. Some poppy seed. This is about a teaspoon of poppy seed, and also half a teaspoon of white sugar, 2 cups of flour. This is just a regular flour, and also 2 cups of bread flour, and we're going to use some oil. All right, so that is the ingredients for the lavish bread. Now over here, these are the fresh herbs. So we have green garlic, which is over here, that I'm going to use. I love green garlic. And then we have dill, fresh dill, green onions that I'm going to use. I love green onions. Now I love using spinach too, and some cilantro. This is fresh cilantro also, and this is fresh parsley, and I love using tarragon. Now don't use too much of the tarragon because they can be overpowerful on the flavor. And also I'm going to use basil, one of my favorite herbs. First we're going to do the wet ingredients for our dough. So again, this is 2 cups of water, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil, and for our dry ingredient is going to be 2 cups of flour. It's dancing! Put the bread flour. We are going to get messy today, and the sugar, the Himalayan salt, and of course our poppy seeds. So mix this well. Slowly add the wet ingredients. It's time to start using my hands and finish all this water. Keep mixing this until it forms to be elastic. Now after putting all that, now I'm gonna add a little bit more of flour. 4 ounces of flour. This is almost done. All right, in your dough, try to smack it just like that. Now after washing my hands, time to cover it. Let that be set for 20 minutes. I just got this inside from the refrigerator for 20 minutes. Make sure it's in a chill place, yeah? First thing first, I'm gonna have to grab some more flour. So I'm gonna put that all over our bowl here. The best way to do this is smack it. Just smack. At this point, I am just going to get at these size of a tennis ball. I do not put flour first in my rolling pin because I wanted my dough to be flying first. I want it long ways in front of me. This is fantastic. Now this is a tablespoon of oil, a couple of pinch of ground black pepper, and some chili powder. Get the green onions, dill, and lots of spinach. Try not to put all the vegetable all together with all the seasoning, because what's going to happen is going to be stale, and you do not want that. After washing my hands again, I'm going to roll this one more time. With all these herbs, you're going to be super healthy, and you're going to be looking super young. At this point, kindly put the other side on top of it first, and then look in the middle. So it's a jacket that you're trying to seal in. Seal the edges. Just set it like that. Tap on it. And let this be cooked for 4 minutes on the first side and 4 minutes again on the other side. Make sure that this is not sticking, it's not burning. Now time to flip. Let that be cooked for another 4 minutes and we're good. Ooh, and this is Jingalov Hats. I hope you get to enjoy my cooking show here, cooking with Chef Coco Cruz, your fusion exotic chef. Again, please share this to your families and your loved ones because this is a hit. Enjoy! Ooh, yum! I'll be back. Let me just take off my dream rings before I start kneading the dough. Hey, we're here at Pasadena Market where I should wait. Hold on just a second. I just got back home and look what kind of nutcase. Nutcase.